Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given question 7 power x times 7 power negative 1 equals to 28. Let's provide a solution. Our solution will be coming very quickly, and here I have to copy. We have 7 power x times 7 power negative 1, which is equals to 28. And here we shall say 7 power x times 7 power negative 1 should be, here we have 7 times 4, right? Then here we shall divide 7 on both sides. So the power x times 7 power negative 1 here divided by 7 will be 7 times 4 divided by 7. So here we have power 1, so that when we are dividing the number of powers, we subtract. We shall say 7 power x times 7 power negative 1 times 7 power negative 1 will be equals to 4 due to this one, and this will be cancelled. So we shall say 7 power x times 7 power negative 2, because we are adding here, will be 4. And here we have 7, because we have same base, we have to add the power. X minus 2 will be 4. At this stage we have to apply logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of 7 power x minus 2 will be logarithm of 4. And here we have x minus 2, logarithm of 7 will be logarithm of 4. We shall divide logarithm of 7 on both sides. We shall get x minus 2, which equals to logarithm of here 4 to the base 7, so that here x only will be logarithm of 4 to the base 7 plus 2 as our solution. Before accepting this one as solution, you have to check to verify if the answer is correct. I have given 7 power x times 7 power negative 1 equals to 28, and here we have 7 power logarithm of 4 to the base 7, then plus 2 times 7 power negative 1 equals to 28. And of course here this is 7 power logarithm here of 4 to the base 7 times 7 squared times 7 power negative 1, which is equals to 28. And of course, because we have same base, we shall say this is 4, and here times 7. When we are adding, take this one minus this 7, here will be 28. 4 times 7 equals to 28, which equals to 28. Left hand side equals to right hand side. I can say that thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe, please. See you the next time.